Good morning, friends. Guess what? It's time for the morning message again, and it is Wednesday, so let's put our finger on the G for good, and we'll begin reading. Good morning. Today is Underful Wednesday. Underful Wednesday? Underful Wednesday doesn't make sense. How could we make Underful Wednesday make sense? You're right. We need to put the letter W. Now, like yesterday, I'm actually not going to do any reading clues on the front here because I want to do some sentences on the back. So we'll go ahead and move on to the next section, and it says, color the beginning blend. So I think this person is smashing the grass. So smash. What do you think smash starts with? Smash. Do you think SM, ST, or SP? Smash. If you said SM, you are correct. Smash. I'm going to guess that this person is studying. Study. What two letters do you think start with study? Do you hear an S and an M sound, an S and a T sound, or an S and a P sound for study? I hear an S and a T sound. Now we have a cow, and this arrow is pointing to his spots. Spot. What two letters do you think begin with spot? Do you think it's an SM, an ST, or an SP for spot? I think it's an SP too. So I'm going to read you a sentence, and you're going to tell me how many words you hear in this sentence. So get your fingers ready to count. Here we go. When I get home, I do my homework. When I get home, I do my homework. How many words did you hear? 8. I heard 8 too, so go ahead and write 8 on the line. And now we're actually going to go ahead and read our sentence here. Now, I'll put a dot under each of the sight words, and then we know we'll have to figure out the rest of the words. What is this word here? I do see a digraph. I see the digraph WH, so I know it's going to be w-e-n. When. W-e-n. When. Good job. When I get. I don't know what that word is. How could I figure out that word? It has a reading clue. I know the reading clue. I see a vowel, consonant, E. When I see a vowel, consonant, E, it lets me know that that E is going to pinch that O. The O is going to say, oh! And then the E, remember, it hides. So now we have the word h-o-m, home. Oh, good. When I get home, I do my, that's a big word. But when we have big words in reading, do we get scared? Do we get worried? No, we use our reading clues. So I'm going to be a good reading clue finder. And I see a word that I know. Up here, I read the word home. Down here, I see the word home again. So I know that's the word home. So I'm going to break it into two parts. I have the word home. Now I don't know what this word is, but good news. I see a reading clue. So now I could tap it out. Wa or k, work. Home, wa or k. Homework. Oh, it's the word homework. Good deal. So now I can read my sentence. When I get home, I do my homework. You read the sentence. Great sentence reading. It says, read it in a sleepy voice. And then it says, read it in a surprised voice. Great job reading those sentences. I like that sentence. When I get home, I do my homework. You guys are doing such a great job at doing your homework. They went ahead and they did, for that number families or the house of families, they did subtractions. Again, go ahead and change all of those to addition. I didn't teach you subtraction in class. I don't want us to try to learn it right now, so we're going to just change those to addition problems. You can go ahead and do that on your paper. So what we need to do here is we know this is going to be the house of 9. So we know everything's going to equal 9 in this problem. And we need these two people who want to come into the house. We know they're going to equal 9. So we know we could put 3 and 6 together and they would make 9. Or we know we want this to be 9 again because we're still at the house of 9. We can know that 6 plus 3 also equals 9. So we know that 3 plus 6 equals 9, or 6 plus 3 equals 9. Go ahead and do this one on your own. You know that's the house of 7. Good job. We know it is the house of 7, so we can write 7s in there. We know that it's going to be 5 and 2. So 5 plus 2 equals 7, and then we know it can also be 2 and 5. So 2 plus 5 equals 7. Now we have the house of 8. And go ahead and solve those. Okay, we're going to add 7 and 1, and then 1, and then 7. So we know that 7 plus 1 equals 8, and then 1 plus 7 also equals 8. Great job finding those numbers. You know what? The back of the paper looks a little rough to write a sentence on. I think it might be a little confusing. We'll try to write a sentence again tomorrow. How about we'll just be done for today? I'll let you off easy, and we'll do a sentence tomorrow. Sound good? Okay, bye-bye, friends.